Hello there and welcome back. This is going to be my last video about Typer, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the basically the tab completion feature of Typer. So this is a Fedora virtual machine that you are seeing because it is going to work only on Linux or Mac OS. So now what we would like to do is to use Python to install Typer, and pip dash user, hold on, dash user, and Typer CLI. And once this is done, what we can do is to use the Typer dash install completion, and bash completion is installed in the bash completions typer.sh. And now what we would like to do is to restart our terminal. And now if we check under the bash completion typer.sh, as you can see, this is what was installed. So now what we can do is to use the Typer's help command, and this is going to be able to basically run our Typer scripts with completion without having to create a package. And we can pass the app and the function, and technically this should be it. And now what we can do is to create a small sample application. So my script.py, and we would like to import Typer, and from typing we import optional, and we create our app from Typer, and the app command is going to be hello with a name which is an optional string, and we use a Typer echo f welcome name, and we will have a command goodbye and name optional string, and Typer echo goodbye name. And if the underscore name equals main, we use the app instance. So now what we could do is the following. So we could simply say that Python 3.8 my script dash help, and we could say hello Daniel and goodbye Daniel. And what we can also do is to use the Typer my script run, and as I'm hitting the tab, it is reading out the available functions or commands. So goodbye Daniel. And that's it. So this is how you can use Typer's tab completion feature. Hope you like this video series. Stay tuned for